Today we're going to learn about an indicator called the parabolic SAR. The parabolic SAR. And this parabolic SAR is a technical indicator used to determine the price direction of an asset. You see, the parabolic SAR tells you where that asset, you see, whether it is gold, silver, or not, USD against Japanese yen, whether it is going up, the USD is going up, or the Japanese yen is going up. So the parabolic SAR is it determines the direction of an asset, as well as it draws attention to when the price direction is changing. Do you understand? So when you call it parabolic SAR, SAR. The SAR means the stop and the reversal system. SAR, stop and the reversal. So when you talk of parabolic SAR, it tells about the stop and the reversal, where your trading has reached, whether you need to stop and reverse it. This is whether maybe it was a downward trend and is now an upward trend. The parabolic SAR was developed by a man called Wallace Wilder Jr. and he's the same creator of the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. I will not speak so much about the parabolic SAR, but let me go a bit into it so that before I go to the chart, so that you understand it better. You see, when you go to the chart, the indicator appears as a series of dots. I'll repeat again when I go to the chart. It appears as a series of dots which are placed either above or below the price bars. Either they are above the candles or below the candles. A dot below the price is determined to be a bullish. When you see the price, the dots, this above the candles, it means what? When it's above the candles, it means it's what? A bearish. When it is below the candle, it means what? A bullish. So I'm saying that the dots, when you see the candles and the dots are above the candles, it means that what? The asset is coming down. But when it is below the candles, it means that the asset is going up, or it's a bullish trend. Do you understand? So let us try and go into the chart, and then we will understand it better. So let's get the parabolic SAR. Get the parabolic SAR. This is a parabolic SAR. I start to chart. Allow DDL imports. Okay, so this is a parabolic SAR. You see the dots. This is a parabolic SAR. You can decide to change the color to anything that you want. You can leave it like that. So this is a parabolic SAR. This is green. You can change to red. You can change to white, whatever. So this is a parabolic SAR. The parabolic SAR. You see, when the dots, like I'm saying, when the dots are below the candles, when the dots are below the candle, it means that it's what? It's an upward trend. It's an upward trend. When the dots are above the candles, it means what? It's a downward trend. And hallelujah for us, we do we do trend trading. We do trend trading. We look for trends before we move. When something is trending, that is when we trade. And the parabolic SAR or the parabolics, it helps us to determine whether whether it is trending upwards or is trending downwards. So this is about the parabolic SAR. This is about the parabolic SAR. And I keep on telling you, I don't use only one indicator. I use 6 indicators to determine whether I should trade or I should not trade. You see, I have the entry indicator, and then the first confirmation indicator. The first confirmation indicator confirms whether the entry indicator is whether I should enter. And then the second confirmation indicator, which is also known as the baseline, I have the ATR, I have the volume indicator and the exit indicator. When I'm trading, I use when I'm going to trade, I look at the 5, and all the 5 indicators should agree. The 6th one is the exit indicator. Like I've been telling you, when I'm now going to trade, I don't use the exit. The exit is to help me to know whether I should stop the trade or I should continue. Do you understand? So like I keep on telling you, I don't use only one indicator. So let me go to an indicator that we have used before. I've taught you about. Let me use the let me use the Arun up and down. Arun up and down. So this is the Arun up and down. And I keep on telling you, in my trading, when the indicators don't agree, I don't trade. All the indicators should agree. That is the the entry indicator, the first confirmation indicator, the second, which is the baseline, the volume, and the ATR. These five, when they agree before I trade. So for instance, for now, let me just use these two. You see, let me use this, the parabolic and then the Arun. And then the Arun. You want to let, if you want to learn more about the Arun, please go to the Arun indicator in the video and you learn more about the Arun. So right now, for me to, if I'm just using the Arun and the parabolic, I just look at the, I've told you that when the thing is above, when it is above 70, when I 70, then I trade. When it is below 30, I don't trade. Do you understand? So when you look at, just look at this place. When you look at this place, you realize that this is a bullish trend, or this is a sell. The red most of the time stands for sell. I can decide to change the colors also. The blue here stands for what? Buy. I can decide to make it green, but this is what comes. Do you understand? I can change the colors. So when you look at the red here, this one says it is bearish. Do you understand? The bearish trend, the bearish or the sell is going up. And then when I look at the parabolic SAR, the parabolic says that what it is coming, it is what the trade is bearish, it is coming down. Do you understand? It is coming down. When I look at this, it means that the trade is coming down, which is it's a bearish trend. When I look at the Arun, you realize that the bearish trend is becoming bearish. You see that the difference between the Arun and the parabolic is, the parabolic is when it's coming down. You see, the parabolic is only one color. When it is coming down and the dots are above the candles, it means that it's bearish. But when you look at the Arun, whatever comes up determines whether it is bearish or bullish. So here you realize that the bearish, the sell is going up, which means that it is bearish and it agrees with the parabolic. So then if I'm using only these two indicators, I will trade. Do you understand? And like I said, go and look at this, go and study the Arun. I place a line, there's a line here which is 70. It's above the 70 points, the 70 degrees. It means that the trend, the bearish trend is higher. So from here to here, you realize that it agrees with these dots. This parabolic agrees with the Arun. Let's look at something here. You realize that the the parabolic is still coming down, but when you look at the what do you call it? You look at the candles here. The candle says it is going up. Do you understand? And when you look at the Arun, you realize that the line is coming down. The bearish line is coming down, which means that you should not be trading. Do you understand? It is coming down, and when you look at the bullish trend too, it is coming down. So like I told you in the Arun, when all the two lines are coming down, you don't trade at all. You don't trade. You only trade when it is going up. So this one is a bullish. The blue is a bullish. It is going up. Do you understand? It is going up. And when you look at the line here, you realize that it agrees. It agrees with this. From here to here, it agrees. So here, if I'm trading, I will what? I will buy, or there is a bullish trend. So this is about the parabolic SAR, and this is the Arun. Like I said, I use 6 indicators, but today we are learning about the parabolic SAR. You can go and study parabolic SAR, and I know it's a very good indicator. It can help you. May God bless you. This is Hallelujah Forex. I'm Dr. Nibuchi Chrysolite. See you in the next video, and please go back and study more. And I know God will bless you. But once I keep on telling you, please, in trading, you don't have to be what? In trading, you don't have to be greedy. In trading, you don't have to be greedy. You have to be patient. You have to do things systematically. Sometimes when you are trading, you realize that there are some of the trades or the assets, it's like you win when you trade. But please be careful. As much as possible, don't trade overdose. Just trade systematically, a few little. And it's a gradual process. If you trade above what you have, I am telling you, the likelihood that you will lose is high. The likelihood that you lose is high. Just have patience, pray to God, and be very systematic. Don't go against your plan. And let me tell you, most of the time, when it comes to trading, it's psychological. It's more psychological. Your impatience and your greed and your adufude trying to get money in a few days is what is not good. Just be systematic. Just be patient. Don't give up. And I know you break through. God bless you. Dr. Niboje Chrysolite. See you in the next video.